Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Motorola One. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our phone. And after phone, I'm gonna be turn it off. Press and hold volume down and power button together. Okay, let's try. Volume down, power button. Release all the keys. And volume down to choose the recovery mode, active by power. No command. Press and hold volume up and power button together. One, two, three. Okay. Power and volume. Yep. So you need to press power, press it, and one click for the volume up, and you are in. Volume down. Wipe data factory reset for here, and you should press the power to accept, then now yes, user data and personality content, phone gonna formatting data, that's it. Now reboot system now by power, and phone gonna be starting with the new brand firmware without any password on the phone and with the new fresh system. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.